Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about India's most popular micro SUV, the Tata Punch. This car isn't just stylish, but also affordable, safe, and packed with features. Whether you're driving in the city or heading out on a long road trip, this vehicle makes a mark everywhere. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll walk you through every aspect of the Tata Punch, its design, engine, performance, safety, mileage, and much more. We'll also compare it with its competitors. So stay with us, and let's get started. The Tata Punch was first launched on 18 October 2021, and within 30 months, it has sold over 3.5 lakh units. In March, it became the best-selling car in India. So let's find out what makes this car so special. Design. Let's begin with the design of the Tata Punch. This car is built on Tata's Alpha Arc platform, which makes it both strong and lightweight. Its look is inspired by Tata's bigger SUVs like the Harrier and Safari. Front. It features a split headlamp design, with LED DRLs on top and projector headlamps below. The gloss black grille and chrome strip give it a premium feel. Side, squared wheel arches, 16-inch alloy wheels, and black cladding give it a rugged SUV-like look. Rear, Y-shaped LED tail lamps and a small Rhino logo on the rear windshield add a fun little touch. It comes in 8 color options, and the dual-tone variants make it even more eye-catching. My favorite is Atomic Orange. What's yours? Let me know in the comments. Interior. Now, let's step inside the car. The interior of the Tata Punch is neat and practical. Dashboard. It has a dual-tone dashboard that gives a premium feel. You also get a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Seats. The seats are comfortable, especially for long drives. The rear seat can accommodate 4 people easily, but might feel a bit tight for 3 adults. Features. Automatic climate control, cruise control, rain-sensing wipers, rear AC vents, and Tata's Era connected car tech. It also has WhatsApp and SMS readout functionality. You get 366 liters of boot space, which is enough for a small family. The glove box is cooled, perfect for keeping cold drinks in summer. However, the lack of cup holders in the rear armrest is something that's missed. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the Tata Punch, its engine. Engine. It comes with a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder Revotron petrol engine, delivering 86 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. Transmission. Available with 5-speed manual or 5-speed AMT, automated manual transmission. CNG variant. The CNG version features dual-cylinder technology and offers a mileage of 26.99 km per kilogram. One of the biggest highlights of the Tata Punch is its safety. It has received a 5-star rating from Global NCAP, making it the safest car in its segment. Safety features. Dual front airbags. ABS with EBD. Reverse parking camera. ISOFIX child seat anchors. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Build quality. The strong build of the Punch keeps you protected even in minor accidents. Features like a driver seat belt with pretensioner and load limiter add to the safety. However, the lack of 6 airbags might disappoint some buyers. Still, for this price range, the safety package is outstanding. Mileage and maintenance. Petrol mileage. Manual, 18.8 to 20.09 km per liter. AMT, 18.82 km per liter. CNG mileage, 26.99 km per kilogram, making it an economical choice for middle-class families. Maintenance. The first 3 services are free. The 4th service costs around 5,000 rupees. However, some users have reported issues with service centers, including delays and untrained staff. Tata should definitely work on improving this. The new RDE-compliant engine offers lower vibrations, making the drive smoother. Competition comparison. Tata Punch vs Nissan Magnite. Magnite offers a turbo engine with more power, but Punch scores better in safety ratings and build quality. Tata Punch vs Renault Kiger. Kiger has a slightly more premium interior, but Punch wins with better mileage and superior safety. Tata Punch vs Maruti Ignis. Ignis has a more refined engine, but Punch clearly leads in safety and features. So, if you're looking for a safe and value-for-money micro SUV, the Tata Punch is definitely a top choice.